What if I told you the system is designed to keep you broke? From the moment we step into school, we're programmed to follow a broken formula. Study hard, get a job, buy a house, work for 40+ years, retire broke. But here's the truth: you'll never get rich trading time for money. So how do the wealthy actually make their money? Passive income. Money that works for you even while you sleep. AI has compiled 7 proven passive income ideas with examples and step-by-step tips so you can start building wealth today. Stick around until the end, because these strategies have turned regular people into millionaires. 1. Dividend investing. Earn while you sleep. Most people think the stock market is risky or takes decades to pay off. Wrong. Imagine owning a slice of companies like Apple, Coca-Cola, or Nike and getting paid every few months just for holding their stocks. Example: if you own $50,000 worth of Johnson & Johnson stocks with a 3% dividend yield, that's $1,500 a year without any extra work. Quick ratings, time needed, 1/5. Just download an app and start investing. Money needed, 5/5. Bigger investments mean bigger returns. Earning potential, 5/5. Real wealth builds over time. Pro tip: focus on dividend aristocrat stocks that have increased payouts for over 25 years. 2. Start an automated online business. Most side hustles are just another job. But what if your business could run on autopilot? Think about creating an online course, a digital product, or even print-on-demand merchandise that sells 24/7. Example: Sarah, a fitness trainer, turned her expertise into a 30-day fitness program priced at $49. After just 300 sales, she made $14,700 with no ongoing work. Quick ratings, time needed, 3/5. Setup takes time, but scales infinitely. Money needed, 1/5. Use low-cost tools like Canva and Shopify. Earning potential, 5/5. Profit scale as your audience grows. Pro tip: use AI tools like ChatGPT to write courses or design websites in hours instead of weeks. 3. Create viral online content. Right now, content creators are making millions with just a phone and a Wi-Fi connection. Whether it's YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, content creation can turn into long-term passive income through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate deals. Example: Jack started a YouTube travel vlog. After just 8 months, he hit 10,000 subscribers and began earning $2,000 a month just from ad revenue. Quick ratings, time needed, 5/5. Content takes time, but builds momentum. Money needed, 1/5. Start with your phone, no fancy equipment needed. Earning potential, 5/5. Viral videos can make $100 a day or more. Pro tip: don't post randomly. Niche down to a specific topic like fitness tips for busy moms and stay consistent. 4. Invest in startups. Be the next Shark Tank. Ever dreamed of being like Mark Cuban, investing early in companies and cashing out millions? You don't need millions to start. Example: Emily invested $1,000 in a coffee subscription startup. 3 years later, the company was acquired, and Emily made $40,000 from her tiny stake. Quick ratings, time needed, 3/5. Research required. Money needed, 2/5. Small investments can yield huge returns. Earning potential, 5/5. High risk, high reward. Pro tip: use platforms like Seed Invest or AngelList to find promising startups. 5. Affiliate marketing, the easiest way to make $300 a day. You don't need a product or even a website. All you need is a link and an audience. Example: David made $12,000 in 2 weeks by reviewing a high-ticket item and sharing his affiliate link. Quick ratings, time needed, 3.5 of 5. Effort required upfront. Money needed, 1/5. No upfront costs. Earning potential, 5/5. Easily scalable. Pro tip: focus on high-ticket items and create content around trending products. 6. Build a digital tool or app. You don't need to be a coder to create the next $1 million app. Just find a problem and hire someone to build the solution. Example: Mike created a budgeting app and charged $10 a month. In 6 months, he signed up 500 users, earning $5,000 a month in passive income. Quick ratings, time needed, 5/5. Planning and development required. Money needed, 3.5 of 5. Partner with coders to cut costs. Earning potential, 5/5. Recurring revenue builds fast. Pro tip: start with an MVP minimum viable product to test demand before scaling. 7. Rent out your stuff. Turn what you already own into cash cars, tools, cameras, or even your driveway. Example: Lisa rented out her spare bedroom on Airbnb and earned $800 a month with barely any effort. Quick ratings, time needed, 1/5 upload photos and set rates. Money needed, 1/5 use what you already own. Earning potential, 3/5 depends on available assets. Pro tip: list items on platforms like Turo Cars or Fat Llama Gear Rentals. Final thoughts: your path to financial freedom. The system is rigged against you unless you learn to rig it back. Start small. Pick one of these 7 passive income strategies and begin building wealth that works for you. Which idea are you most excited to try? Comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts.